Welcome back. As you saw last day, I restored my Chiron. Today, we will repair the Ram. So let's take the Ram to the workshop. These dents are made by me during road trip. After this, we will start to repair the G-Wagon. It's not as bad as the Chiron. But okay, we will repair this one also. Let's do the cold start. First, we will go to the workshop. But before that, let me show you one thing. As I told you that cops were asking about the Supra. Because they searched a lot but they didn't get it. And I reply in return that I don't know, and I don't have any Supra. But how will they know I hide it inside the house? Here is my Supra. As I told you, if they get this car, they will seize it. So I hide it here. And that's the reason it's still fine. Let's park it to the garage. Now cops will not create any problem. Until I make a mess. This place is good for parking. If we want, we can park 1 or 2 cars here. Let's slowly take it down. So perfectly it came down. Without making any problem. For now, park the car here. When we will come back from workshop, we will take it back to the garage. Let's go. Finally, we are going to repair the Ram. It's pending for more than a week. Let's repair it. Finally, the repair work is done. Now, we will go to the washing center. Oh, sorry for a small stunt. After this wash, the truck will look amazing. Washing very well. cleaning from the top. Just look at the beauty. Tomorrow we will work on the G-Wagon and the M2 if possible. But on G-Wagon we definitely weren't not sure about the M2. Wait for tomorrow. Subscribe, share, comment, like.